This is the Russian-made Baikal MP-46M single-stroke pneumatic bolt-action air pistol. To load and fire, grab the pistol grip and the pumping lever. Pull the pumping lever all the way forward. That pops this breech cover or bolt assembly up at 90 degrees, exposing the barrel, and putting the pumping lever back to its resting position fills this cylinder full of compressed air, and then just take a pellet .177 caliber and load it into the barrel. Put the breech cover back down, and you can't fire it until this bolt latches in place. Now it's ready to fire. Just aim it and fire. It fires at 500 feet per second. It's very accurate and it's fairly quiet, so my neighbors can't hear me shooting outside. And that's the end of the show.